And Alan, just can you give us some overview? What's going to happen on 20th of October in Tallinn when you're coming here? Because that's big news as well. Alan is coming to Estonia.
Yeah, I'm excited, Roland. I've never been to Tallinn, and I'm so excited. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be an amazing day. What people can expect to learn that day, they can expect to really discover what's driving them. They're going to learn about how they form their psychology. They're going to learn about, the underlying paradigm that was formed in their early years and how that gets in the way and how that prevents them from really growing into who they can become and discovering what their true strengths are. So they're going to really learn about who they are. Plus, they'll learn about how, as I said, we're going to go into more detail about how they can get out of their own way. They're going to learn about their ego self versus their authentic self and how they can live more from the authentic self so they can begin to create what they really love. And to live from the authentic self means to really live from your heart rather than living from your head. Because when you're in your head, that's when you usually make decisions that usually come back and haunt you. So it's really about getting in touch with your true self, your authentic self, and living from your heart, and then begin to make the kinds of decisions and make the kinds of choices that really support you in becoming who you can really be in this world. And then you will go for what you love in life. So you're going to learn how to do that. And it's going to be very practical. It's going to be very interactive. You'll have a lot of fun. And I highly encourage you to come and join me in Tallinn, because you're going to learn so much about yourself. You're going to learn about how you can take some really practical exercises, as Roland was saying, and apply them in your own life immediately. So you can apply those exercises immediately and start seeing the benefits of those exercises. And if you come and spend the day with us, you're going to get amazing value. I can promise you that. So it's going to be an amazing day.